What's in the kettle, Clay?
Well, it's a beef barley soup.
Ooh. Are you going to try some?
That's what I got this for, honey.
Cool.
Already tried it once.
I have a peppermint in my mouth, so I'm going to wait. But it looks good.
I gotta get some more of the crackers out.
Do you want to try some of those biscuits with soup? I can go get
I'll
the
have them
crackers.
for breakfast.
Which, guys, we're cleaning today. But look at our biscuits.
Biscuit cookies.
My biscuit cookies. What happened is we did not have milk. And so I tried to use some evaporated milk, and it just looks like a cookie. So I think they taste a little funky too, but sometimes you just try something different. But I thought you guys might get a kick out of that. So, I mean, there are other recipes out there. I just used my cookbook, and I said, let's see if I can do this. I did make cocoa. I used condensed milk, not evaporated. I did make cocoa with the condensed milk, which actually I thought the cocoa was good. Did you, Clay?
It was alright.
I thought the cocoa was good. So it was like, instead of milk, I used like a little tiny bit of condensed milk and then used the rest water.
This is the last bag of oyster crackers. You might want to get some more when we go to the store.
Okay, yeah, because we do like a monthly grocery shopping, so I've got everything in there. So
And also, when we use the last one, we always replace it.
yes, we always
When
replace
you open the last
when you open the last one. So today's been a lazy day because we did not sleep well at all last night. So I'm a little on the cranky side today.
Yes, she is.
I am. I have my blankets. Look at all the blankets I'm using to take a nap because I was super, super tired. So I have my little crafting stuff, but I look at all those blankets. I have to bring them back into the bedroom, but I was freezing, and I just said I want to fall asleep. So anyway, that's what's happening here. We're just hanging out, and it is snowing outside, and Clay's gonna sit here. He made soup. He was really nice. He cooked today. He made soup for me, and I just said, "Oh, I'm so tired."
I usually make all the soups.
Yeah, he usually does, because Clay makes really good soup. So usually when soup comes up, it's like, "Will you make soup?"
Well, we got some in the freezer yet, but it's best to make up fresh, and then what's left in the crock pot you put in the freezer. So that days that you really don't have time to do a lot of cooking, you can just take it out of the freezer and the night before and let it thaw out, and when you get back from where you're going, doctors or whatever, and
Oop. We didn't sleep good at all last night, though.
get back from the doctors or whatever, and you can, your soup will be thawed out, and all you have to do is heat it up.
I'm still sleepy.
I didn't get a whole lot of sleep last
No,
night.
he didn't get
either.
a lot of sleep, and neither did I.
I was up at 2 o'clock this morning with low blood sugar.
Oh yeah, that's what woke. And so I got up. I forgot. I couldn't sleep, and then Clay woke up in the middle of the night, and he had low blood sugar. So I got up and made him some toast and jelly, and he ate a couple of his glucose pills, and then we couldn't fall back to sleep, so we watched television for a while and watched YouTube for a while, and then I woke up and I'm like, I'm super tired. Clay, is it okay if I don't do anything? So I just did a couple loads of dishes and some laundry and just little things. I didn't do a whole lot of stuff today.
I got the crock pot out
And I made
Ninja and
biscuits too.
chopped up the vegetables and
And I made those delicious biscuits.
biscuit cookies.
Yeah. And well, I made cocoa too. I made old fashioned, you know how you put it on top of the stove. Because we don't want to run to the store right away because we still have a lot of food here, and it's just, we want to clean out the refrigerators and cupboards and everything a little bit more.
So you use up the vegetables and things first, and then
The
you
freezer.
replace them with the new stuff.
Yeah. I just had a lot of stuff from last year. I think I still had like 5 bags of flour, sugar, and I just said, let's use up some of this stuff. instead of keep buying and pushing on top. So so how's it taste?
Good. Not the best I've ever made, but it's good.
Okay, I'll try some in a little bit. I'm on a diet, so I've got to be careful.
Well, this would be good for you if you're on a
Yeah,
diet.
it will be. So I'm trying to watch my intake.
I've got to watch mine too.
Yeah, Claire's on a diet too. Some other people I know are on a diet. So everybody's on a diet.
Doctor said I gained weight and I gotta take some of it off.
I wasn't going to say that, but he did. But that's okay. It happens.
It's true.
Well, you were working and working and working, then you took a break inside. Oh, by the way, Patty got the seeds.
Good.
And she liked them. So we sent her some ornamental seeds. So anyway, that's one of my sisters. So ornamental pepper seeds.
Some of the soup was we had a roast with carrots and potatoes and everything a while back. And after we ate the meat out of the roast, the crock pot, we had beef broth and carrots and potatoes and things left over. So I put it in a baggie and we froze it. And that was my starter for this soup.
You know what's funny is when we're kids, our parents do things like that. We're like, ooh, and then you get older and you find yourself doing the same thing. It's like, okay. You're like, it's not that it's ooh, it's just that, when you're a kid, you'd want to eat everything like
Fresh.
you don't think about,
Store-bought.
storage and stuff. Okay, guys, I guess I'm going to... Do you have anything else you want to share, Dare?
No.
I'm sorry.
Just want to finish my meal.
Yes, and I'm over there crocheting, so I want to finish my project, and then I'll eat after a while. So, because I actually ate one of the biscuits, and it was it was just a biscuit cookie. It was just different. Okay, love you, honey. I guess I'm not going anywhere. Just going to sleep. I'm tired, guys. I am sleepy. Okay, guys, remember, big or small.
You too can be a backyard farm. Bye-bye.